Oh, Don, Curbinaccio, Bitcoin's over 4,000, Kirby. What am I gonna do? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. What is going on, my friends? Today I'd like to discuss Bitcoin and the action we're seeing right now. The action of the hour. Too sweet to be sour. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is now back over 4,000. And as a full-time trader, I'd like to discuss with you my strategy, my game plan, and how I plan to crush this market right now in the immediate term. So without any further ado, you guys already know the deal. If you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, smack that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Moon the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Moon them up. All right, so we'll begin with our Bitcoin technical analysis. And of course, before we begin, this is not investment advice, this is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions, ideas, and observations on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk and I am not your financial advisor. I will never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. Being said, here we are. Let's hit it on the 4-hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Tofu if you're vegan. We have now broke that mental, physically important level of 4,000. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. What I'm seeing right now is that we are finding rejection at this point right now. As we can see, we have not one, not two, but now 3 touch points along this yellow resistance line here at about 4,018. Now, is this going to have to be a rejection point? Doesn't have to be. Could it be a launching point? Absolutely could. Now, let's discuss here. If Bitcoin is to purge this level here, rise above and get above this top wick here, which at its high was 4,037. In my opinion, if Bitcoin can break above 4,037, we could be due for a next run to the next resistance level and trend line, which, although it may seem like a lot happening, oh, Kirby, it's a moonshot. It's a moonshot, Kirby. Oh, let's use our price range tool, ladies and gentlemen. And if we do, in fact, take our breakout point from the top of, we'll put it right here at the resistance level, we can see that it is a less than 2% move to the upside to reach my next trend line of resistance, which in fact would be this level right around here, just under our previous high. If we do want to extrapolate it just a bit further, let's pull this up to the prior high if we were to have a bearish double top, and that would be something around 4%. Now, do I believe this has to happen? I do not. The RSI is quite concerning to me, ladies and gentlemen. As we see here, we're starting to get incredibly topped out. We are nearing that 70 level right now. Does that mean it has to stop? Does not as well, because as we see here, it has like to, on the 4-hour time frame, overshoot that overbought territory that begins at 70. But right now it appears we have a little bit more room to run before we do hit that area. But as we all know, the metric is designed to see potentially overbought conditions, and that does begin at 70. We are at 65 right now, just to put it on your radar. But for me right now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm seeing in the chart is that we are ready to explode here. In my opinion, this is now the time that we're about to get the juiciness back in the market, ladies and gentlemen. The sheep are about to be separated from the wolves here, because if we do in fact break to the upside, we probably will get Moonboy exuberance. They'll be dancing on the tabletops. Poopcoin Patrick, Moonboy Montgomery, and the crypto crackheads themselves will be crawling out of the caves, ladies and gentlemen. It's the moon, Kirby. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. and Don Carbonaccio will be sitting here making plays like there's 2 minutes left in the fourth quarter of the championship game. Let's get this crypto. I am about to begin trading this market aggressively if I see the time is right to strike, ladies and gentlemen. Like a cobra out of the grass. Like there's 2 minutes left in the fourth quarter of the championship game. Don Carbonaccio will be trading this market aggressively. And I will be keeping you up to date in VIP with every single trade I make in absolute real time. Every entry, every setup, every take profit, etc., etc. I will see you in VIP right now. Shout out to my VIPs. It's time to crush this market. It's time to get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now. But back to the chart. Let's get to the bearish scenario right now. We have had a triple rejection touch point. Does that mean it has to get rejected? Obviously not, ladies and gentlemen. We're awaiting confirmation right now. That is why I'm doing this analysis right now, because we are at a critical point in the trend. If we do in fact get rejected, I will be looking for support along, let's draw the line here. I would be looking for support along this trend line here. We have been snaking upwards right now, and it would not surprise me in the least, maybe to test back down to about the 39.90 level, about a 1% drop from where we are right now, before looking for our final test to the upside. If we want to look on a larger time frame, what I'm seeing here as well, not even a larger time frame, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, a larger pattern still within the 4-hour time frame. This whole pattern here, as you can see, this yellow line, right, this yellow trend line that I have snaking up right here, we have many touch points along this level that it is becoming a significant trend line for me. And along the top here, right, we have our old trend line outlined in the orange. For me, guys, this does in fact look potentially like an ascending triangle. And an ascending triangle, per classical technical analysis theory, is a bullish continuation pattern in a bullish trend. I mean, we have made higher lows each and every time here. We have been on a micro uptrend, and it would not surprise me in the least, ladies and gentlemen, to potentially see that this whole pattern here could wind up being somewhat of an ascending triangle. And if we even want to categorize this level here with the red box of resistance being the flat line, I'll actually draw it out in yellow, so it's all one here, right? Let's see, it would look something like this, that we would have our ascending triangle is already beginning to break out, right? Depending upon how you want to look at it, we have had 1, 2, 3 and a breakout. This could already be a bullish confirmation in and of itself. For me, I'm playing cautious because of the fact that we still are in a 14 going on 15-month bear market, ladies and gentlemen, and you do not want to be getting caught up with the Moon Boys and their garbaggio as they begin to dance on the tabletops, you know, let it all loose, let their hair down, ladies and gentlemen. I'll tell them right now, James at the water cooler, you might want to go grab a muffin top and a coffee, because what I'm telling you right now is that you might need to chill your giblets, my friend. If in fact we do get rejected here, we would be looking, in my opinion, 1, for that short-term trend line to be respected, but 2, we could potentially test back down into this level. If this trend line is broken, ladies and gentlemen, kiss it goodbye. In my opinion, I believe that we will probably likely drop out like a brick out of the sky, like a brick off a bridge. This is the trend line I'm watching here right now. This is the one where I believe the boys will get separated from the men, the girls from the women, and the sheep from the savages. Ladies and gentlemen, if you hear it by the tone of my voice right now, we are still currently above 4,000, but I am seeing right now that there is likely going to be fireworks in either direction here very, very soon. Does it have to happen right this moment? Absolutely not. Oh, Curbinaccio, you're saying there's a big move, and I just want it to happen now, Curbinaccio, now. I'm telling you, James. I'm telling you, Joe, that things don't have to happen right now at this very moment. But as you can see, we may already be broken out of a bullish pattern here. Like I said, I'm playing cautious because this whole thing here is still a lower high, right? We are still not making new highs, and we are still in a very long bear market. So it's very, very risky to get overly exuberant with bullish formations and bullish confirmations while the macro trend still is lacking any bullish follow through. That is a lesson to learn, ladies and gentlemen, that you do not want to get overly exuberant from a bullish perspective in a bear market. You know, I always say it, ladies and gentlemen, do not be a perma bear. Do not be a perma bull. Be a perma savage. You need to remain emotionless inside this market. Take it for what it is. Look at the chart. Look at what's going on and make your decision wisely. Do not make it off emotion. Do not make it off Corey, the crypto crackhead, itching his neck, scratching his collar over in the corner going, oh, Kirby, Bitcoin, oh, Digibyte, oh. Don't be dealing with that nonsense, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be a bear, don't be a bull, be a savage and crush this market. The breakout appears to be coming here. As I said, we may already be breaking out right now. Confirmations I'm looking for, obviously, is a smash of that line, the yellow trend line, and then ultimately to take out our wick here. 40-40 will be the first bullish confirmation for me, and then obviously breaking 40-80 would be number 2. And we have to take out a higher high, ladies and gentlemen. It is just a matter of fact. You cannot discredit that we have not seen a macro higher high the entire bear trend. At best, we had our little fake out here, a little fake-anachi dandada. Tell your wife, tell your father, it's time to get this crypto. We got faked out, and all the moon boys dancing on the tabletops, ladies and gentlemen. Curbinaccio, get wrecked, get wrecked. What happened to them, ladies and gentlemen? Lightsaber of doom deep down into the crypto abyss for ultimate wreckage and ultimate destruction. Do not be taking that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. It's time to crush this market. It's time to get this crypto. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be keeping you up to date in absolute real time in VIP with every single trade I make. As you can see right now, I'm foaming at the mouth, ladies and gentlemen. Give a dog a bone, he foams at the mouth. Tell your wife you're gonna hodl and you'll be sleeping on the couch. Let's get this crypto. Teach a man to trade, he profits for life. Teach a man to hodl, he gets left by his wife. Let's get this crypto. I'm fired up, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you see the reason that I am getting a little excited right now is because I see potential opportunity looming. And as always, inside this insane, crazy cryptocurrency market, there is generally always a potentially life-changing trading opportunity looming within grasp for those that are willing to strike upon it. And personally, ladies and gentlemen, I am looking for that life-changing trading opportunity right now. And I am going to be keeping my VIPs up to date in absolute real time with my trades as I take them right now. I post every entry, every target, every setup, every insight, every take profit, etc., for you in absolute real time to the exact second in VIP. It's time to crush this market. It's time to get this crypto. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in VIP. If you could one last time, moon up the likes, moon them up, Smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. Satoshi needs a new pair of shoes. I will see you in VIP right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to get extremely aggressive right now. Shout out to my VIPs. I'm ready to get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in VIP. And until next time, my friends, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.